Welcome, adventurers, to the potential best campervan road trip in the USA. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey to explore the country's hidden gems, experiencing the freedom of the open road and the thrill of discovery. Picture this: you, a trusty campervan, and an open highway stretching into the horizon. The road trip is a quintessential American experience, an exploration of the diverse landscapes and cultures that speckle this vast country. It's about freedom, flexibility, and the pure joy of discovery. In our campervan, we carry our world with us. Our cozy bed, our kitchen, our favorite tunes. We're not just tourists passing through, we're explorers, adventurers, and sometimes we're even locals. We'll meet people, hear their stories, taste their cuisine, and immerse ourselves in their culture. We'll traverse mountains, forests, and coastlines, uncovering the hidden treasures that lie in wait. We'll experience the USA as few have, intimately, authentically, and at our own pace. With everything we need right at our fingertips, we're ready to uncover the USA's hidden treasures at our own pace. Our first destination is the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, a natural wonderland nestled on the border of North Carolina and Tennessee. This park is a treasure trove of diverse landscapes, from its sprawling deciduous forests to the misty, purple-hued peaks that give the park its name. As we delve deeper into the heart of the park, we're greeted by an array of wildlife, including black bears, white-tailed deer, and over 200 species of birds. Every turn unveils a new spectacle, be it a tranquil mountain stream, a blooming rhododendron, or a historical log cabin from the park's early settlers. Each day in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park promises a fresh adventure. Whether it's challenging yourself on the rugged Appalachian Trail, marveling at the cascading beauty of Laurel Falls, or simply soaking in the serenity from Clingman's Dome, the highest point in the park. Here we'll explore winding trails through old-growth forests, discover hidden waterfalls, and soak in panoramic views of the Appalachian Mountains. Next, we journey along the Blue Ridge Parkway, a scenic route that winds its way through the mountains of Virginia and North Carolina. This ribbon of highway stretches for nearly 500 miles, threading its way through some of the most breathtaking landscapes the East Coast has to offer. As we navigate its gentle curves and steep ascents, we'll encounter a diverse array of flora and fauna, from towering oaks and hickories to graceful deer and elusive black bears. Along the way, we'll discover charming roadside attractions steeped in local history and culture. Antique shops brimming with treasures from yesteryear, rustic eateries serving up hearty mountain fare, and craft breweries offering a taste of the region's vibrant beer scene. From the panoramic overlooks to the picturesque picnic spots, the Blue Ridge Parkway offers a wealth of surprises at every turn. As we drive, we'll be treated to sweeping views of rolling hills, vibrant fall foliage, and quaint mountain towns. Continuing westward, we'll explore the ancient forests of the Redwood National and State Parks in California. As we traverse this remarkable expanse, we're enveloped by the serene calm of nature, the only sounds being the rustle of leaves and the occasional call of a distant bird. Imagine, if you will, standing at the base of the world's tallest trees, their towering trunks reaching up to the sky, a testament to the enduring spirit of nature. These redwoods, some centuries old, are not just trees but guardians of history, silent witnesses to the passage of time. Every gnarled branch, every weathered bark tells a story. As we delve deeper into the park, we discover lush, fern-filled groves that seem to have leapt straight out of a prehistoric era, further adding to the sense of wonder and awe. The adventure doesn't end in the forest, though. We'll also stroll along the rugged coastline, exploring hidden beaches and tide pools, each a unique ecosystem in itself. Here we'll stand in awe beneath the towering canopy of the world's tallest trees, hike through lush, fern-filled groves, and stroll along rugged coastline dotted with hidden beaches and tide pools. As our journey unfolds, we'll venture into the dramatic landscapes of the American Southwest, a land where the spirit of the Wild West still echoes through the canyons, where the sun paints the sky in hues of gold and crimson at dawn and dusk, and where the stars seem close enough to touch on clear, moonless nights. First, we'll journey through Joshua Tree National Park, a surreal expanse where twisted, bristled Joshua trees stand guard over a stark, sun-baked desert. We'll traverse the park's labyrinthine trails, discovering hidden oases and geological wonders, all the while enveloped in an unbroken silence that whispers of the Earth's ancient past. Then, we'll press on to the Grand Canyon, a natural spectacle so vast and awe-inspiring it almost defies belief. Here, we'll gaze into the canyon's mile-deep chasm, carved over millennia by the relentless Colorado River, and watch as the setting sun ignites the canyon walls in a blaze of color. From the surreal rock formations of Joshua Tree National Park to the majestic vistas of the Grand Canyon, we'll camp beneath the stars and witness some of the most breathtaking scenery the USA has to offer.